Hi everybody, this is Niquelle Wright. Today I want to go through really quickly how to exclude your IP address from Google Analytics. I hope this tip helps you. I want you to watch it all the way to the end because I'm going to give you a special kind of bonus tip that you may not have thought of as to why you should definitely go through these steps to exclude your IP address from Google Analytics. Okay, so quickly, you should already have a Google Analytics account set up, and come into if you and so to log in, in case you don't remember what that URL is, come to google.com/analytics.com, or just open up a Google search and type in Google Analytics, and this is what you'll get. Okay, when you click on that, then you'll come to a screen, Google Analytics, and it says access Google Analytics, or it will say log in. I'm already logged in, so I'm going to click over to that tab. And when you log in, you'll see that you have several, if you have multiple websites attached to your Google Analytics account, then you'll have to pick the appropriate one that you want to add this filter to, okay? I want to show you really quickly, for instance. So when you're in Google Analytics, you'll be able to see lots of data about number of visits to your site, number of unique visitors, and so forth. And so one thing you'll want to do is check out this. You'll see, for instance, that I'm getting between 10 and 30 visitors a day to my website, which I'm excited about. But of course, I want to make it more consistent, and I want to give it more of an upswing. So it's going to be important for me to get more consistent with my posting and to do it more often during the week. And so those are two things that I'll be working on in the next month or so. But for instance, to get a feel for your data, you need to have a Google Analytics account, and you need to exclude your own IP address. And so to do that, when you log in, select your appropriate website and come over to admin. And then you'll see some choices for the website. You'll want to scroll down on the far left side to all filters. Select number 2, exclude internal traffic, and then add a filter. So you see I already have one set up, but if you add a new filter, you can give it a name, select predefined filter, and exclude traffic from the IP address. That's equal to, and then enter your IP address, select what view to apply the filter to, click add, and you see it pop over to the other side. And then down, sorry, just a little outside of the window, you'll see a save button, so click save. If you don't know your IP address, come over to open up a new tab in your browser and type in www.whatismyip.com. Again, whatismyip.com. You don't need this stuff on the end. The first screen that comes up is actually going to be your IP address lookup, and it will show you your IP address. So then you can just come over here and enter that, select the filter view, to apply the filter to, and click add and click save, and you're all done. So going forward, your data will exclude your own IP address. It won't correct the stuff going backwards, but it will going forward. So that's important. And the last thing, I promised to give you one tip as to maybe why you want to go through the trouble to do this, because as we're super diligent, we're making our blog look awesome and tweaking it and adding content and coming out and looking at it maybe and changing it. And so actually the more often you post, the more often you will do that. And when you look at it and you close the window, that can increase your bounce rate. And so that's bad for ranking, so you don't want to do that. So you want to make sure you at least have a true and accurate idea of what your bounce rate is, not based on how diligent you are in terms of looking at your edits, but actually whether your content is meeting the needs of your readers. So come on over, Google Analytics, go into admin, add the filter to exclude your IP address, go to whatismyip.com if you don't know your IP address, enter that and click save, and you're all set. Again, I'm Niquelle Wright. Click on the link down below in the description and enter your email address so you can get tips like this sent directly to your email to help you make the most out of your website and get more traffic and sales. also, and subscribe to the channel so that you can get a notification of when I'm uploading great videos that will be helpful to you in terms of building your blog and your site better and getting more traffic to them. Thanks. Talk to you soon. Bye.